Hi, this is Alishan now. Flying in the skies, having my own airplanes and flying way up there above the clouds, high in the sky, was always my dream. Well, I couldn't go for flying or flying lessons, couldn't afford them, but hey, I could afford them the other way around. That is first-person view flights on RC airplanes. Now here it is, my Flytech wireless video FPV system has just arrived. Just this little box, as you can see, black one in my hands, and it also came with the wireless USB DVR. If I want to record my FPV sessions on my laptop, I can simply plug this USB into my laptop on the field and it will start recording all the feed coming from the video transmitter on board the plane. Let me bring the camera closer and show you what comes inside this one. Alright, here we are with the Flytech FPV video or wireless video FPV system. I met these guys in Shanghai and I like the system. It's very neat and clean. Alright, the first thing I see is the CD. It should be for the wireless DVR or maybe for the thing if you want to use it with the laptop. We have a cable for the head tracking. It's a Futaba radio cable. This means if I move my head, the camera moves. That's what we call the head tracking, which is actually built in the video goggles. These are the video goggles, sweet, really sweet video goggles, and actually they come pre-fitted with the receiver, fully programmable receiver. Okay, they have very good view inside, and of course they have the built-in head tracking system right there, which actually plugs here. And it also powers directly from your radio system, from the back of your radio system. Also, here is a camera, sweet camera with pan and tilt, as you can see, right? 2 servos already installed. I have tested this camera. This has a very good view and very good picture. All right, I will put it down here and dig in more. What I love about this system that they send you 2 video transmitters, okay? One is 5.8G and one is 2.4G. So 2.4G is 1000 megawatts. This means this can give you 2 kilometer range on a stock setting, while 5.8G is actually only 500 MW. This means it will give you 1 kilometer range. Apart from these, there are many other wires for you to customize your system, and some cables like this. Click plug in directly to your TX and camera and just mount them on your airplane. As you can see, these are very easy to plug and play cables. All are neatly prepared and given here for you already. Now this is the power cable for you for your goggles if you want to power them externally. Audio video cable given here, and 4 different antennas given here. One is of course for 5.8G and one for 2.4G system. So when you use these 2 different TXs, you have to change the antennas as well. Well, this is very sweet and I'm simply loving it. Apart from this, I'm going to order an OSD as well. This means I am really serious about a serious professional FPV setup this time. So stay tuned for more videos from way up high from the sky, coming all the way to your side. Enjoy and keep watching. Thank you very much for all your support. I'm out.